Greetings, my friends. Satanam, bow to you, bow to God in you, bow to God in all. So another beautiful morning. Let's just chant today. Talked about meditation last couple of days. Walking and talking, walking and chanting. Beautiful, glorious sun shining down. So this is what I do. Come out, take a deep breath. Thank you, Bhavan Guru, Air the Guru. Guru Nanak Dev Ji called Air the Guru. Bhavan Guru, thank you for every breath. Thank you for this chance to be alive. When the mind gets upset, if you listen to the thoughts, ego will be saying, I haven't got this, I haven't got that, this didn't work out, that didn't work out. And then it starts complaining about everything it doesn't have. So the antidote for complaining and blaming is just to be thankful. So I find first thing in the morning, I get up, open the window. Thank you for God for giving me another breath. Thank you for this chance to be alive. And if you have nothing else, you still have a breath of life. So thank you for this breath, thank you for this chance to be alive. Bhavan Guru, Bhavan, air is the Guru. We can't live without the air, can't live without Guru, God. Air keeps us alive, but what powers the air? God's energy, the life force. Pani Pita, Bhavan Guru Pani Pita. Guru Nanak says, water is the Father. So I thank God, thank you for every drop of water. Thank you for this chance. Then Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, Mata Tart Mahat, Great Mother Earth. Thank you to the Great Mother Earth. Everything comes from Earth. Everything's born from the earth. That tree, the fruit, whatever we eat, the clothes we wear, the cars we drive, the houses we live in, our body, what hasn't come from the earth? So Great Mother Earth. And then everything goes back to the earth. So when the mind is complaining and blaming, tell it stop. No, don't think. Oh mind, don't even think for a second what you haven't got. Just thank for what you have got. And if you've got nothing else, you've still got a breath, you've still got water, you've still got Mother Earth. Then Guru Nanak Dev Ji continues, Divas Raat Do Dai Daya Khile Sagal Jagat. Day and night are like two nannies in whose laps the whole world plays. So this image of the earth, the water, the Guru, the air the Guru, the water the Father, Mother the earth, two nurses, nannies, and we're playing in it. So Guru Nanak Dev Ji is talking about we're connected, this is our family, nature is our family, we're part and parcel of it. But what are we here to do? Jangyanya, Buryanya, Vajya, Dharam, Hadur. Our goodness, Jangyanya, Buryanya, our badness, this is seen. We're being watched by the divine judge. So that's the light inside us, the God part, the silent part. If we know we've done a dishonest deed, we may be able to fool the world, lie, claim others are making it up, cheat, but we know we did something wrong. If we know, then the light, the soul part, the divine judge sitting in our heart, God knows as well. Chanyanya Brihanya Vajya Dharam Hadur Karmi apo apni ke nere ke dur. And we're accountable for what we've done. Karmi apo apni. Our deeds are our own, says Guru Nanak. Can't blame anyone else. What you did, you reap. You sow, you reap it. We sow it, we reap it. So, Guru Nanak Dev Ji's teachings are all about our deeds. And we've come on this earth, we've got air, we've got water, we've got this playground of day and night. What are we doing while we're here? Because what we're doing is going to decide what happens to us. Law of karma. Karmi apo apni ke nere ke dur. Deeds are our own. Some go closer to God, others go further away. You know, you do good, you go closer to God, to the light, like we talked about yesterday. Do bad, you go further away. So hell and heaven is inside us. Hell consciousness, if we do bad, heaven consciousness, we do good. But beyond them both is truth consciousness. And how do we get there? So Guru Nanak Dev Ji continues. Jinni naam tyaya gehe masakkat kaal. The ones who meditate upon God's name, Jinni naam tyaya gehe masakkat kaal. They toiled in the right direction. They made efforts in the right way. So don't do bad deeds, do good deeds, and to go beyond good, meditate on God's name. Surrender to it. Tyaya means not just meditate, but surrender. Give yourself completely to God's name. That God's name becomes everything. So think about it. If you've ever been in love, the person you fall in love with, it's all you can think about. Nothing else matters. No, not sleeping, not eating, not drinking. No, nothing else matters, does it? So it becomes like that. When you fall in love with God, nothing else matters. And that's surrender. That's tyaya. You completely lose yourself in God, that you forget yourself. Jinni naam tyaya gehe masakkat kaal. They toiled in the right direction. Nanak says, Nanak te mukh ujle kehti choti na. Nanak says, their faces shine bright, and many go along with them. So this is the whole story that Guru Nanak Dev Ji has summarized in a beautiful verse. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji's teachings were not about going to some holy place or a holy person or doing certain holy prayers. It's nothing about going on the outside and just by meeting a holy person or just by going to a holy place or just by reading a holy book that somehow that's going to please God, or just by having a label that I belong to this religion or I belong to that religion and we're the chosen people. No. Or I am a male, I am a high caste, I am a priest, I am the chosen one. No. Nothing is on the outside is seen by God. Whatever we label this body with, the religion, our name, our identity, whatever we eat, it only goes in the body. You know, whether it's meat or vegetarian. You know, religions have such a big thing about what we eat, that God cares about it, or whether we're circumcised, or whether we grow our hair or cut our hair, or we're wearing a religious uniform. or symbols. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji, he didn't, even being born as a Hindu, he didn't adhere to any of that. And when he went to the places, holy places, he didn't follow those rituals. He didn't make any pilgrimage places of his own. All he said was, it comes back to your deeds. Your deeds are the only things that are going to go with you, and how much you loved God. So Guru Nanak Dev Ji wrote, Agge jaat na jod hai, agge jio neve. Agge means in the next world, which in a way doesn't mean people think of like after death. But for me, the next world is your inner world. Agge, so when you go beyond the mind and into your heart, into the light. But how do you go there? Who gets entry into there? So to go into the light, to go agge, to go beyond this mind and this physical world, who gains entry? Guru Nanak Dev Ji gives the answer. Agge jaat na jod hai. Agge jaat, so jaat is caste, or distinctions that society makes, is the differences. Agge, and that beyond is not seen. It's not asked, were you a high caste, were you a low caste, were you this religion, were you that religion, were you black, were you white. It's not entry for a certain group of people. Agge jaat na jod hai. Jod is the power you had in the world, like rulers and kings, elders. You know, we may gain respect by having power in the world, name and fame, but to go beyond this world into the light is not considered. Agge jaat na jod hai, agge jio neve. Agge jio, only those live in the beyond, in the light. Neve, who are humble, who are lowly, who completely erase their ego. So it comes back to deeds. It comes back to deeds, your good qualities. That's what takes you beyond. So in practical terms, when I was meditating a lot, and I had blessed souls around me helping me, and I became completely dedicated and I surrendered, and it became like that. God's name was everything. Now the ego melts. Ego melts. You become nothing. So much love fills you, heart. The light comes into the third eye. The Kundalini experience, the light, the energy rising, and God is so close, closer to us than our body, closer than us to our breath, closer to us than our hands in prayer. It's closer to us than our thoughts. So when you close your eyes and sit and just say God's name, recite the verses of Guru Nanak, sing the praises like he himself did, surrender to it. Like you go swimming and you jump into that swimming pool. Sing praises of God. Sing the words of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Sing the words that come to you in your heart. Express yourself like the Gurus express themselves. God is in you and me, just like God was in them. And they showed us the way. If they could do it, we can do it. If Jesus can do it, you can do it. Guru Nanak Dev Ji can do it. He's telling us, well, if I can do it, you can do it. But you just need heart and soul, full of love and devotion, praise. So when I come out and I see the sun shining, I say, De Satnam, Satguru, you're the truth being, you're my truth Guru. Just like the one sun is shining on all, you're shining in my heart, shining in every heart. And just like the one sun has no prejudice, gives its light equally to all religions, all people, whether we think they're good or bad. Sun shines on all, and sun doesn't become greater if we praise the sun, and the sun doesn't become any less if we say, you're so hot, you're burning us, what kind of sun are you? So in the same way, the God, the light within our heart, in every heart, is shining bright, giving love equally to the saint and the sinner. But what's the difference? Hello. What's the difference between the saint and the sinner? The one who becomes a saint has cleaned themselves up inside, has surrendered the ego, become humble like Guru Nanak said, melted into the light, gone into the beyond, and then we call that person a saint. That person, like Guru Nanak Dev Ji, it's not actually that any ego left. There was no Nanak left, and the Guru is just a light shining through. The Guru part was the light. So when we emerge and the light shines in us, like Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, meditate on the name and your light will shine bright. That light that's shining, that's God. God is the highest Guru. God is shining bright. That's the Guru part, not the body, not the clothes. Siri Vaheguru, Siri Vaheguru, Ek Onkar Satnam, Siri Vaheguru, Satnam, 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 Ek Onkar Satnam, Siri Vaheguru, Ek Onkar Satnam, Siri Vaheguru. One God, truth name, holy wondrous Guru. 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 Satnam, 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 Satnam. Come into my heart, Satnam, Satnam. Come into my heart, Satnam, Satnam. Come into every cell, Satnam, Satnam. Come into every cell, Satnam, Satnam. Oh, be kind, dear divine. Oh, be kind, dear divine. Come into my mind, Satnam, Satnam, Satnam. I live for you, Satnam, Satnam, Satnam. You are my wondrous Guru, Satnam, Satnam. Come into my heart, Satnam, Satnam. Come into my heart, Satnam, Satnam. You are the eternal Son. You are the only one. Satnam, 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 Satnam. Come and shine on my face, oh light divine. Make this heart your sacred place, Satanam, 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 Satanam. So let your heart sing. Let the God in your heart express itself, like Guru Nanak Dev Ji showed us. This is called Sifat Salah, praise and eulogizing. Praising the qualities of God, we become like God. Whatever we meditate on, that's what we become. If we meditate on anger, revenge, we become evil. If we meditate on God's qualities, we become truth, love, compassion, kindness. And then pure can only come to pure when we have earned those qualities and become the same as God. Then God can rush into our heart and fill us and sing, and then we become a lighthouse in this world. So thank you, friends, for another lovely blessed walk. Thank you for letting me share and listening. Hopefully it's useful to you guys. We need more people who are calm and connected in this world. So God bless you. Guru Nanak Dev Ji's teachings are divine. He showed us the way. We just have to put it into practice. Satanam, God bless you. Satanam, God bless you. Satanam, God bless you.